Hey everybody, and welcome to Doggy Duty of 5. On this channel, it's just all about my 5 dogs. So this is Chico, and he is 2 years old, and he is the brother of Luna. He is a pit bull mix, but he is mostly pit bull because his mom is like pit bull mixed with, I don't know, but his dad is mostly pit bull. Well, his dad is pit bull. And usually when I give him a bath, he's a lot to handle. As you see, he just tried to jump out of the tub. He like loves to play fight. So if you see like little marks on his face, it's because he play fights a lot. But usually before I start washing their body, I turn the water on low, as you can see, and I use my hand to wipe their face because I don't want them to feel like they're drowning. I don't want to get water in their ears and then they get an ear infection. But when I move on to the body, I pick up the water or turn it up and rinse their body off, and then I use soap. It takes me about like 5 to 6 hours to clean each dog, but if the dog is like really scared, I try to minimize the minutes because I don't want them to have to suffer, because I wouldn't want to suffer through something that I'm afraid of or I don't like. Okay, now this is Blue, and she's really big, but she's not fully pit. She is mixed. She's a pit mix with a collie, which I think is a very weird combination. But like from her neck down, well, her shoulders down, she looked like a pit bull. But when you come to her face, you're like, oh yeah, that's a collie, because her snout is so narrow. But she is, she's 4 years old, and she was the first out of all of them. And she's pretty good about being in a tub. The only struggle I have is getting her in, but when she's in, she is fine. And she's not related to any of the other dogs whatsoever. But it usually takes me about, I could take however long I want on her, but I usually do like 5 to 6. How long do it take y'all to do y'all dogs? Like 5, 6, maybe 10, I don't know. If you like getting detailed grooming, I don't do that. I just, wash them. I don't know. But yeah, this is Blue, and it looks pretty easy. She's just sitting there. I feel like she knew the camera was on, because when I tried to record at first, she looked at the camera and she turned right away. She was like, not happening. Oh yeah, also, you see how she tried to shake? A fun fact, if your dog is about to shake, if you put your hand on their neck like that, not like that, but if you put your hand on their necks, they won't shake, but they'll shake like their back part. And you see, I did it again. she did it a couple times, but she got me one time, but I usually catch it before she shakes. This is Buddy, and he is 3 years old, and he is a pit bull. He is the dad of Chico and Luna. He usually is the worst one to give a bath to. As you can see, he tried to dip and dodge my hand. He keep trying to get out. It's just hard with him. I try to get it done. I try to get his bath done quick as possible. Like, I'm pretty sure he took the least amount of time, but it's just and like when I give them a bath, my back usually hurt, my lower back, but when I do him, my back hurt the worst, because it's like I have to literally constantly try to push him over and all that jazz. Is just calm down, please. But he don't come to me after he got the shower, but he sheds a lot when he got the shower. Like, I don't know what to do about his shedding. It's just a lot of shedding. But sometimes he gets used to it, but just sometimes he just doesn't. But yeah. This is Luna, and she is 2 years old. I call her Looney Loons or Looney Tunes. She is the sister of Chico. They was both born the same day, and she's like one of my favorite. She kind of loopy in the head because she had got parvo, and it kind of made her a little, I don't know, ditzy, I guess I would call it. She is really good when I give her a bath. Like, I mean, it looks like she probably not, but she is actually pretty good when I give her a bath. And she is actually the only dog that's not afraid to come to me after I give them a shower. Like, after she get a bath, she usually, walks around with me. She come right back in the bathroom, and I'm just like, oh, okay, you're not afraid. So yeah, this is Looney Loons, but she is pit mixed. I say pit mixed because her mom is mixed, and I don't know what she mixed with, and her dad is fully pit. So I say she's more pit than anything else. Okay, so this is Layla. She is 5 years old. She is the oldest, and she's the mom of Chico and Luna. And she is the first top number one, who is very easy to clean. But I try to hurry up because, as you can see, her fur is very thin. But it looks like I'm being rough with her when I'm not. I guess it's because I sped up the camera. But usually when I wash them, I go with their hair. I don't go against it because I just feel like it would be uncomfortable. But you should leave down in the comments, what is your dog bath time routine? How long does it take? And if you like this video, please subscribe and please click that notification button so you know every time I upload a video. I will upload a video every week, and I might upload in between, but I'm in school right now, so I'm gonna try every week and see how that works.